Okay, I've been sewing along with you and I just got the binding all finished and the seams all finished on my new zipper pouch. So let's see how it turned out. Awesome. I just loved zipper pouches. And with this corner technique that I developed, I really love how beautiful and professional they turn out every time. So thanks so much for watching my free zipper pouch class. I hope that you take the things that you learned in this class and you make lots of zipper pouches of all shapes and sizes. Now, just so you know, one question that people often ask me about my tutorials and patterns is if they are free to sell the things they make. Of course, I love to think about entrepreneurs using my patterns to make things and sell in Etsy shops and craft fairs. The copyright for my items extends only to my photographs and my words. So please don't copy and paste the things that I've written on my blog or in my patterns and use them as your own or distribute them in any way. Please do not take how-to photos from my blog and distribute them in any way. But if you make zipper pouches and you want to sell them, by all means, please do. This zipper pouch is worth, I don't know, $35? How much would you sell it for? Tell us in the comments, and thanks so much for watching.